Hey everyone, this week's Diecast cars, I will freely admit, have nothing to do with each other. They've just been sitting in my to-review backlog for way too long, so here they are. First up is a 1966 Shelby GT350. This is pretty much my favorite Mustang, my favorite body style, definitely. I don't know, I just think these have aged really well. And the newest body style from 2015 on, I think kind of borrows a lot of the styling elements from this body style, and I actually like the 2015 and up. I think it's the best looking Mustang in a long time. It's kind of retro done right. So this is by Acme. This is again pretty old tooling. Acme seems to be doing that. This looks to be a supercharged, I think these were 289s. I think horsepower was 306 off the top of my head, and that was, what was that, a Paxton supercharger? I think it's labeled. From memory, I think it was a Paxton supercharger. This is, again, for older tooling, this is pretty good. Gaps are going to be big. We've got carpeting. We've got seat belts. We've got reclining seats. Pretty good detail for kind of a premium level car. And this, again, is proper opening diecast like everyone wants. Got no spare tire in the trunk. You've got your under trunk sheet decal, which is nice. This, oh, there's a spare tire. Whoops. This probably, I think, retail for like $129-ish. I paid $49, and I can't beat that at that price. I'm certainly not mad at it. Wheels don't steer very well, but whatever, at least they steer. Packaging, relatively small box, typical Acme. This is one of 528. I'm not sure that's numbered. I can't easily find the number on it. Typical styro inner box. Let's see, is there a number anywhere on this? Sometimes they hide the number in the trunk or someplace, but no number that I can easily see. Either way, one of 528, and again, for under 50 bucks, can't be beat. On the other side of the spectrum, we have sealed resin. This is by Otto. This is a POLO GTI. In this country, you may be saying, what is a Polo? Polo's been sold in other countries for decades and decades and decades, almost as long as the Golf and the GTI. The Polo is obviously smaller than the GTI, although I'm willing to bet a late Polo is probably the size of, you know, a Mark II, Mark III GTI, because that's what happens. Our cars are getting bigger and bigger. So typical good auto quality. Paint work is good. The grill meshes are not open. That's a bit of a bummer. Interior detail, from what you can see, is pretty good. This is car number 1198 out of 2000. I paid $44 for it. Retail was probably about 80-ish. So again, at that price, I'm definitely not mad at it. Nothing opens, window bubbling, not the worst. Pretty decent overall as far as autos go. Packaging, as I've said, auto leaves you nothing to really see. At least you get a little picture of the car in the outer box, your white inner box, and of course styro inner. So that's about it for this week. I am getting due to keep an eye out. In mid-August is my annual main collection video. Keep an eye out for that. I get a lot of people that'll comment like, hey, where's your XYZ car? And it's there, just people aren't really taking the time to look at it. So that collection video is a chance to really show everything I have and all the cars I've added over the year. I've probably added 75 cars in the last year, so keep an eye out for that. Have a good one. Like and subscribe. Later.